Hey, this is DJ Raph from the National Young Leaders Day. As you can see, so many people had fun at the silent disco during the breaks. You can win a silent disco event for your school if you can pick the 3 songs that students are dancing to in this video, which we filmed at the event. To submit your entry, go to halogen.org.au/disco. All you have to do is watch closely and pick the 3 songs that you think must be playing through the headphones. This prize has been organised by our generous friends at Party Hire, the people who run silent discos for kids. We know so many people had fun at the silent disco, and we hope you get to experience it again at a school event or party very soon.